Hello, my name is Samantha Silva, and this is my physical education newsletter. So here, for the first page, I have what to expect. The information provided will help inform adults and children with knowledge on physical education and the importance it has on the development on the children. In the newsletter, one can find websites, articles, and a reference to children's literature that supplies important information regarding health and fitness, and links are provided down below as well. So next is Shape America. This organization was established in 1885. Its goal is to create awareness and education in health. Many educators in physical education are members and advocates of this organization. It targets children in grades K through 12, and they have many programs that help students as young as preschool age to college level understand and apply the standards for health and education. The website not only helps students, but educators as well. Educators can join Shape America and gain skills they will need to educate students in health and physical education. The organization provides resources that are available throughout the nation and workshops that can assist educators with innovative tools that can further develop each child. The website has so much information that is beneficial to students and educators and families as well. So here is the website. If you want to visit, take a look, and let's scroll down to Choose My Plate. So Choose My Plate helps educators, students, and families with the knowledge they need to create healthy eating. Choose My Plate was established in 1984 by the USDA. The website provides knowledge of the importance of healthy eating. Eating food that is high in sugar and saturated fat can have a negative effect on one's health. Choose My Plate promotes awareness to what one is eating and how it can affect their health and fitness. This site is a positive and helpful site to encourage a healthy lifestyle and diet. It provides much more information and the tools that one may need to get started. And here is the website right here. Okay. So next we're going to scroll down to Kids Health, which is another website that provides information regarding benefits of exercise for children. It also goes over helpful information for parents and educators. Kids Health discusses some of the problems that children may have that keeps them from being active and how it recognizes those problems. I found this website very beneficial and informative, not just for educators, but for families as well. Okay, so let's scroll down. And this is the book that I chose for the newsletter, which is The Very Hungry Caterpillar by Eric Carle. So in the book, it is about a caterpillar that loves to eat. And in the book, the author explains how he is so hungry and he eats a variety of foods. Some are healthy and nutritious and some are not. After the caterpillar has eaten everything in sight, he begins to feel ill and decides to eat a nice green leaf to help him feel better. This book teaches children that making certain food choices can affect how it makes your body feel. And here's a picture of the front cover of the book, if anyone is interested. And here's another website that I found, how much exercise your kid needs based on the latest research. And here's the website that you can visit. So this article discusses the importance of exercise for children. Teaching children at a young age to be active is important to their health and development. The article also discusses the difficulties educators and parents face due to technology that children are exposed to. I enjoyed reading this article because it talks about how educators and parents need to advocate for their children and students' health, especially since the rise in obesity and diabetes has gone up. Okay, so next is how physical fitness may promote school success. So here's the website right here. And the article states that children that are more active have a higher rate of being academically successful. In the article, it states how a group of active children were tested on their academics and compared to another group of children that were not as active. The results showed that the group of children that were active had better academic test scores. The article shines light on the connection that physical education has with students' academics and how it can improve their academics. So, that's it. I hope you enjoyed the newsletter. Thank you very much.